Are you disabled and unable to work and wondering whether you can apply for Social Security Disability Insurance or SSDI benefits online? My name is Caitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to apply for Social Security Disability Insurance or SSDI benefits online. First, you'll want to make sure you are on the Social Security Administration's official website at ssa.gov. There, you'll be able to create a personal My Social Security account. After you've created the account, you'll want to log in and review the eligibility requirements for SSDI benefits to confirm that you meet the criteria for disability and for the work credits. Number 4, before you submit the application, gather all necessary information. Collect all relevant personal, medical, and employment information, including your medical records, doctor contact information, and your work history. Once you have the information, then you can go ahead and start the application by logging into your My Social Security account and beginning the SSDI application process. Follow the step-by-step instructions online with Social Security to fill out the application form accurately and thoroughly directly online with the Social Security Administration. When you're filling out the application, you'll want to provide detailed information about your medical condition, your medical treatment, and the way it impacts your ability to function on a daily basis. Before you submit, carefully review all of the information that you have put into the application to ensure that it is both accurate and complete. Then you can submit the application online. Once your application is submitted, you may need to mail necessary documents or take the documents directly to the local Social Security office, including medical records or work-related documents as requested directly by Social Security. After you've done all of that, Social Security will begin to review your application, they will begin to request your medical records, and they may request additional information from you in the interim, including information in the adult function report, any supplemental questionnaires, a third-party report, and things like that. They will also often let you know if they have difficulty obtaining medical records from one or more of your providers. After they've had a chance to review all of the evidence gathered after the submission of your application, the adjudicator and the doctors that work for Social Security will issue the initial decision and initial finding of disabled or not disabled. If they initially approve your application, then that's wonderful and your process will stop there. If they deny the application for medical reasons, but you still believe that you are disabled and unable to work, you can certainly begin the appeals process at that time. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.